In this video, we are going to show you how to install Shopify apps step by step. It is a very quick process. What you want to do, of course, is you need to be signed in. You need to be logged in on your Shopify account. Once you are logged in, you're going to be brought to this page, which is your admin menu, right? This is your dashboard. So when you have something, for example, I want to get this app for my store, all you need to do is go to the left-hand menu, right? Click on apps. This pop-up will appear, and you can just search whatever you want, right? If you have a specific app that you're looking for, you can search it here. Or if you don't have any idea yet and you just want to scroll and check which apps you can actually implement on your store, what you want to do is click on all recommended apps. So click on this. These are all the apps available. For example, you want to add Google and YouTube. So what you want to do is click on the download button here, like so. And as you can see, it is going to bring us to the app page. And as you can see, it says install app. Click install again. And it's going to be installed on our account. There you go. Now, depending on the app, setting up specific apps might be different. So for example, here, you can connect your Google account here. For example, for messaging, you can also create templates before you actually do an email campaign, and so on and so forth. So again, it's very specific on each app, but that's how you download and look for apps on the Shopify App Store. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.